I leave in 2 days. If it were today, I'd be excited. There's nothing wrong. It's just that I've been gone a very long time. I missed my life. But one thing that I will miss is listen what mornings are here. Hold on, let's go out on the balcony. I love it. There's no mechanics. There's no car. There's no dreadful person with a booming car. Doggies barking and roosters crowing. I alluded to what I said earlier, that if you said today I had to go, it would hurt my feelings. I'm very complete. I've been gone for a long time. It's too long. It's actually too long. What time is sunrise?
Sunrise will be at 7:14 a.m. today.
Enjoy the show. Baker Street. Listen, most of these bakeries, somebody comes early in the morning and delivers garbage bags of pastries. Whoa. Hello, hello.
Hi.
I need that. Thanks. Thanks.
You smoke, you don't look like a smoker, so you don't look there anyway for decoration.
I don't like a smoker. Smoker has a look. Listen, when I go to the cafes, it's the only time that I can return anybody's YouTube comment or Instagram comment or whatever. So I look like the guy on vacation that can't get off his phone. I'm really not. Don't judge.
Excellent. Wait, Canadian or American?
Florida, American.
Florida.
All right, very good.
Hot damn.
All right.
Hot damn.
Thanks. Oh, this looks fantastic, my friend. Thank you. Well, you know what? I'm a little surprised. Alright. I'm not here long, but for the time that I'm here, I'm here. It's good. That's the place. And right now, because I guess the season is different, it's full-on butt-ass naked nudist colony. And when you show up with cameras at the nudist colony, man, that's like being the bastard at the family reunion. They don't treat you so well. But what is happening is this beautiful little cove right here. This is definitely what I wanted to achieve today. Look at this, right? I know. is up there. Yep. Ready to go? This is great. We got other things to do. You know I slept here? Pass the out, if you want to know the truth. It's good. I rewrote the ending to the last movie I made here. I rewrote the ending. Yeah, the other movie didn't end so well. This right here, it's a good ending. Right, it's a good ending. Next place.
Windmill. 200 meters. All right, we need the windmill.
Look, there's a walk the plank. There's a walk the plank. This is looking so much better. You know, this is my final days here. I've had 3 good weeks of not being injured, but time is running out, folks. You know, time is running out. Now that looks worse than it is. But I kicked the coral, kicked the rock when I was going through the cave, and yeah. So it looks worse than it is. But you know what the answer to everything is here? Get in the water. Get in the water. Get in the water. You're gonna see what's happening here? This section of town that I'm in, the type of tourist, it's not necessarily the camping or the backpacker, but some places actually have a lot of laundry services available. Not this section, so I'm doing my own laundry. I think this is laundry detergent. Oh, no. Yeah, so, where was it? Oh, wow. And she told me this was bleach. So, I'm doing my own laundry because I started a long time ago, and that is using the laundry services, but have everything perfectly fresh when I return. And then what's great is weeks or months go by, and I pull a shirt out, and a smile comes to my face because it reminds me of that time here. Either that's the filth that's come off of my clothes, or that's some powerful laundry detergent. I am preparing to exit. I'm gonna put these out in ways that they can begin drying, and I think I probably need to rotate them through the day tomorrow, whatever. Oh, this is sure, that's cleaner than when I bought it. I don't know what piranha fish they have in their products here, my friend, but they eat through the dirt. Okay. Pressed as they can be. Now I'm done with the laundry. The laundry portion of the video is now over.